Wanted to make a quick video of how they used to wash clothes in Eastern Europe. When I was growing up as a kid, we had the old washing machine with the two rollers on top where you would rinse your clothes, wring them. I forget what it's even called, but anyways. This machine here, you fill it up with water. Okay, you just fill it up with water, and you have temperature. So right now the water's heating. We have modern washing machines, but we've never washed clothes like this, and we wanted to try it. So after you wash them, you bring them over here and put them in this little machine, and it'll spin the water out of them, and it'll come out down here into this little bucket. So the washing machine will not spin the water out of your clothes. You have to manually pick them up, set them over here, and spin them. So when you're done, you take this drain hose, and you just throw it in the buckets here. And of course, you just plug them in here. They're both electric, washing detergent, stain removal, and fabric softener. So there you go. This is how they used to wash clothes in Eastern Europe, and I'm sure some people still do. So this is their version of what we had back in the 60s. Thanks for watching.